Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and today I will be showing y'all how to get some summertime nails. These nails are so freaking cute and very summer appropriate. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to start off by getting these dusty, busty, crusty nails off. And what I like to do is take a fake nail and just loosen them up at the base, and then I'm going to soak them in my concoction of warm water, extra virgin olive oil, and some dish soap. Also make sure that you play around in the water because this will help get those nails off. And then once I've soaked them for about 2 to 3 minutes, I just take the nail again and I just pop them right off. This is so easy and it's not real harsh on your nails either. Okay, so now our nails are looking good and moisturized. I just go back in and soak them for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then after that, I just take my cuticle pusher and just push my cuticles back. Okay, next I'm just taking my cuticle cutter and just cutting that dead skin off. So you got to make sure that you're real careful with this part if you do this part, because you don't want to snip them cuticles off. Then I'm just going to file my nails down. I'm not going to clip them because I'm trying to get my babies to grow, y'all. So I just use my file. Then I'm going to go in with my sander band and just sand my nails down. If you don't have a e-file, you can just use a hand file and just go over your nail bed. And then I'm going to use a cuticle drill bit just to get into my cuticles real good. I have so much OCD when I do my nails. That's why it takes me like 4 or 5 hours just to do 10 fingers, y'all. And then after that, we just gonna shake the haters off, shake the old dust off, and so forth and so back. Okay, so I purchased these new coffin nails. They are really short, just my length and my type. I also bought these little magnet stands so that I'll be able to paint the nails before I put them on. And these little things right here, to me, they remind me of chess pieces. So I'm going to call them my little chess pieces. And they just stick right on. As you can see, they are really tiny in real life. As you can see, the camera put a little weight up on you, but yes. Okay, so after we put our chest pieces on, this is what we're looking like. And they also gave some putty to stick the nail on to be able to paint them. So right here, I'm just going in, sizing my nails, making sure everything is nice, tight, and right. So after I size my nails, I just go through one more time just to make sure my eyes ain't playing tricks on me and resize them. When I tell y'all I have OCD. So now we're just going to take the putty, and at first I was scared to touch this, y'all, no lie, because I thought it was like going to be like gummy, but it's not. But we're just going to take the putty and we're going to stick it on the back of the nails like so, like I'm doing right here. Okay, so after we put that on, this is what we looking like. I purchased these nail foils from Amazon, and these are really good and convenient. Also, you got to make sure that you get this right the very first time or you will mess it up. So here I'm just picking out what I want, and I feel like I want a butterfly because I feel like I can fly. So this is the design that I picked out. So here I was testing it out because that was my very first time doing it, and it came out real good. You see that? Perfect. So here I'm just trying to see what design I want on what nail. That's pretty straightforward. And yeah, so once I figure out what I wanted, I just cut out the strips like that. And now I'm just taking a base coat gel polish and polishing my babies. And then after I do that, I'm going to slide them on the oven for 350 degrees, but really put them in the oven on like 60 seconds. Cure it under the UV light is what I'm trying to say. Alright, so boop, we popped that baby in the oven, and I decided to do white because white is really pretty and it's real fresh. It can also get real dingy too. But that's the good thing about doing your own nails, because if it do start looking a little crusty, you ain't got to do nothing but go to your nail stash, get your polish, and do it back over again. So here you just want to make sure that you take your time and polish your nails, and I found it real easy to just pick up the little stand and polish it that way. And it's also good to polish the nails before you put them on too, because using your non-dominant hand for me, honey. Okay, so after I do those with 2 coats, I'm gonna go on top of it with a top coat and pop these in the oven, and then I'm gonna work on my nail foil nails. Boop boop. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm really excited about doing my nails. But I just put these to the side so that I can space these out. And then I'm going to go on top of these nails with the nail foil glue. And then I'm going to cure that. So first you want to put the top coat on, and then you cure it. And then you put the nail foil glue on, and then you cure it. And then you're going to put the nail foil on. So right here, you want to make sure you get this right the first time, because soon as you put the foil on the nail, it's going to stick. So I'm just making sure I got it pressed down real good, and then I snatch it off like when you get waxed. And bam, here's another little view. Bam, right there. The white putty kind of gets in the way, but you'll see it. Okay, so after that, then I'm gonna go in with the top coat and put these in the oven, and then our nails be ready, and you're about to see what we working with. This is what we working with. They look real good, y'all can't even lie, they look good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my drill bit and just rough up the base of these nails, and then I'm gonna put my hydration on these nails, and then I'm gonna put the primer on top. And I did 2 coats of primer. I will be using a nail glue this time. I saw a review on it and they said that it's real good. I picked it up at Sally's because I normally use acrylic to hold my nails in place, but we're gonna see how this works. I put the glue on the nail and then my nail as well. If these don't hold me for 2 to 3 weeks with this nail glue, I ain't gonna be too mad. Because that's the thing about doing your own nails. If something happens, you just go to your kit and fix it. But still though, this stuff was almost $4. So as I'm doing my nails, I always press it a little bit and then I pull back. So you want to make sure you put it on and then you take a look at it, because you don't be wanting your nails to be doing the shoulder lean. So I'm just filing off that little tip of that nail that looks like press-on nails. And this what we got. Y'all, they look good. And then I'm just going to take my clear acrylic and go up under my nails so I can get that little extra stability. And I was a little nervous about going under the nail with the clear nails, but all I did was take some um, top coat and go right up under it like I'm doing the acrylic, so that when it dries it will be clear, because when it dry it kind of look like sand a little bit. So you want to make sure that you put the clear coat up under the clear nails so that everything will be nice, smooth, and uniform. And bam, we are done. These are real cute. I'm real happy, and if you're happy, make sure you click subscribe, give it a huge thumbs up, and comment down below. See you next time.